Hello everyone, welcome to summer paper quilling. How are you doing? How are you enjoying your summer break? I hope you are having fun and I hope you are also doing quilling. So last week I showed you how to make these gift and angel bookmarks. So if you miss last week's live, you can just go on my page and just go down and you will find the video of how to make these bookmarks, these bookmarks. So today I am going to show you how to make beach theme card. So summer is going on, everyone must want to go beach. So I thought let's do something beach related today. So let's get started. Let me add my another camera. Okay, I did some preparation before. So first, let's make beach ball. So for beach ball, we are going to use different colors. So let's roll one strip. So I'm going to take pink, white, yellow, green colors. So first, let's make loose coil. Let me show you again how to make loose coil. This is slotted tool. Insert the strip inside the slot and roll it. Hold your fingers like this and roll it carefully. Don't press it. Roll whole strip. Remove it carefully and decide some. I think you can use big circle to make this ball. Now you have loose coil. Take this loose coil and now we are going to make eye shape. So this is open end of coil. Hold it like this and pinch it on both sides. And then take a glue. You can use toothpick for glue, or if you have this kind of bottle, you can use it. Put glue. Hold it for a few seconds. So this is one shape. Now we are going to make another shape. That shape will be curved eye shape. So let's make one more coil. Remove it. Let it open. Now take the coil out. Now what I am going to do, so this is open end. Hold it like this and you have to bend this little bit like this and then glue the end. So your shape will look like this. So we have eye shape and curved eye shape. So you have to make 6-7 curved eye shape. Now I will show you how to glue the ball. So first take eye shape and put glue on both sides of this eye shape. Now take some pins and put pins here. Now take curved eye shape and glue it like this on one side. Use pins to hold it like this. Now we are going to add all curved eye shapes around it. Now I will take purple color. So like this, just arrange all curve shapes. And then let this dry for few minutes. Okay, I'm done. So right now your ball will look like this. Let this dry. Till then, let's make a base for our card. Take any paper, regular painting paper or cardstock or construction paper. Fold it into half. Now, cut this paper. We are going to use half paper only. If you want, you can use whole paper. Now fold this paper again. So this is the base. Now what we are going to do, let's draw some outlines. Here I am gonna draw some beach sea outline, just light outline, and then here maybe some island, and here I will draw one palm tree. Like this. Now I am going to color it. Oops. You can use shades of blue and color water. And then use brown color for the trunk. If you want, you can use quilling shapes also to make this sea and tree trunk. But I am just using colors, crayons. Right now I don't have green color crayon. That's why I'm just covering this with blue. Now let's make some leaves. So for leaves also, we are going to make curved eye shapes. So, but for this time, we are going to make big one. Take one coil and pinch it like this. And then glue it. So we are going to glue leaves like this. So take glue and glue this. If you want, you can add birds or small boat or ship, small fish, anything. So this is palm tree. Now let's add sun. So for sun, let's make loose coil. Take yellow color strip and roll it. Let it open and glue it. And you can glue this sun here, any side. So this side is empty. So I'm going to put sun there. So put tiny bit glue and glue it here. Now I'm gonna show you how to make triangle shape so that we can make some sun rays. So take half or 1/4 strip of yellow color. I'm taking big strip to show you how to make it so that you can see it easily. Let it open and now make teardrop. So this is open end, pinch it and glue it. Now take your finger and press it like this. So this is triangle. So we have to make small triangles. I already made some small triangles, so we can just glue those triangles like this. You can also make one frame with this theme. Instead of card, just make big, just use big cardstock as a base and then make all these things but little bit bigger one. So size of this card is almost 4/6, so it is little bit small. Now sun is ready, sun tree is ready. Now let's check our beach ball. Now hold your fingers like this and then remove pins like this and remove it. Now what we are going to do, we are going to wrap whole thing with white or yellow color. I am using yellow color strip. Just put glue on whole side and then wrap it all around it so that it will have perfect shape. And then put glue and wrap it couple of times. And glue it. If you want, you can just little bit arrange the shape. If it's not perfect, just you can press it and arrange it. So this is beach ball. So let's glue this beach ball here like this. Just put glue on the back and glue it here. And if you want, you can just draw some birds like this and your beautiful beach themed card is ready. So your tree will look like this: birds, sun, beach ball. So your beautiful beach themed card is ready. Let me show you close up. Just a minute so you can see. So I hope you enjoy making and learning this card, and I hope you will make some small projects with quilling. So till next time, bye. Happy quilling.